See, they always get those. They always get those creepers. Ah, my channel is so calm in here. It's always calm. No, I think it's because they don't see drama in here. They don't see chaos. Actually, if they come in, my brother probably already snapped them out. Yeah, it's a goddess energy. My brother's probably in here snapping everyone out already. He doesn't play. You know, when he was living with us, he's a protective brother, but he didn't talk as much. Like, I would never think that he become that overly protective. But now, since he's a spirit, my goodness, he's like a father figure.